Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be all about me showing you exactly how to make guaranteed profit from the Shares app investing platform sign-up offer. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy this kind of content where I bring you the latest offers that you can make money from and share with you different ways to make guaranteed profits, then do of course consider subscribing. But if we get on the laptop then and we take a look at what Shares is, and then I'll go through how you can take advantage of their welcome offer and make at least £25 from that offer. Basically, Shares is another kind of investing platform, just like the one I use myself. So I personally use Freetrade, and I think that's a great investing app to use. But Shares is a little bit different. So they actually, as you can see here, it says Money Moves with Friends. They actually allow you to see what other people are investing in. So you will buy, say, a share of Microsoft, and then it'll pop up on everyone else's newsfeed, kind of like on Facebook, where you can share what you're doing with your friends. This is the same thing, but just with investing. You can even see people that you don't know and you don't have added as a friend, what they sell and how much profit or loss they've made after what amount of time. So for example, I was just on the community tab on the app and I saw that someone had just sold all of their Coinbase holdings and made a loss of 10% after just buying it and holding it for one day. You can even see when people make a profit and have held it for say 3 days, and it shows you the percentage of what kind of profit they made. Now, to make at least £25 from their sign-up offer, and actually a potential to make £205, all you would do is click through my referral link down in the description. And of course, it goes without saying that I do massively appreciate anyone that uses my referral link. So thank you very much if you do decide to do that. But you would click that link and sign up to the app, usual thing, just putting your details on there. And you just deposit £1. So that's all it's going to take of your money. And after like one working day, you get £5 worth of a free share. And the cool thing is you can actually choose what share of a company you want. So I personally picked Microsoft. I really like Microsoft as a company, as a long-term investment. And it went through straight away, like literally within one working day. And that is all you get from the initial sign up. But then you actually have up to 10 chances to refer a friend. So every friend that you refer, you'll actually get £20 from that. So that's why I said it's up to 205, a fiver from the initial sign up. And then if you're lucky enough to know 10 friends, I wish I did, you can then get £200 from that. The reason why the thumbnail says easy £25 profit is because I thought, well, most people are going to have either a partner or a best friend or a parent or relative that they can recommend. So everyone should know at least one person that they can get signed up to the Shares app. So once you've signed up and referred up to those 10 friends there, you simply just leave the money in there for 30 days, and then you can sell everything and withdraw it back to your bank account. If you decide to go ahead with this sign-up offer, do comment below and let me know what company you're choosing as your free share. I'd be interested to know. If you'd like to know other platforms that I've recommended previously here on the channel where you can earn free money from, I'll leave this video here. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.